Welcome to Davita's Stampin' Spot. It's Tuesday and I have a tip for you. Today I'm looking at I'm using one of our embossing folders. This is one of our newer ones. See how large it is. This is a piece of paper in there that's the size that we use for our first layer of 4 by 5 1/4. So as you can see, it's quite large. I'm going to use my base, which is number 1. I've put my paper in there with the embossing folder, and now I'm going to use the number 4. Hang on, this is not the tip. I'm going to show you though. You can just crank it through like this and it will emboss your paper. But if you would like your paper to have a deeper impression, let me show you what to do. So this looks pretty good. Now these give pretty good impressions because it's so deep anyway. But let's see what happens when we add a little water. I'm going to take my paper and I've got a water bottle here and I'm just spritzing it with a little bit of water. You don't want to completely saturate it, just get it damp. I'm using the lines on my embossing folder to make sure my paper is straight. The paper will curl a little bit, but that's okay. We're going to put number 4 back on top. We're going to run it through. That water just causes the paper to break down just a little bit. So as you emboss, it gives an even deeper image. And it's going to be hard. Well, yeah, you can see. Can you see the difference? Look how much deeper it is when you add just a little bit of water. So I hope you have a spritz bottle. I'm using an old Stampin' Mist bottle and I put water on it. So I make sure it's not, I don't try to clean my stamps with it. Spray your paper before you run it through and you'll get a deeper impression. Hope you love this tip. Talk to you later.